Hey everyone, meet the Xinkun air-powered boat seat pedestal, designed to upgrade your boating comfort and safety. This aluminum pedestal offers adjustable height from 17 to 24 inches, with easy pneumatic lifting for perfect positioning. It features smooth swivel and slide seat mount functions, allowing you to move freely and bond with family or friends. The 4-level anti-burst gas spring ensures your seat remains safe and reliable even under harsh sun and sea conditions. Compatible with all single-seat brands and built to AD-grade standards, it guarantees a secure and worry-free experience. Plus, its simple disassembly makes seat replacement hassle-free and quick. Enjoy better movement, safety, and convenience on your next boating adventure with Xinkun innovative seat pedestal. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.